Welcome to Tea Time Teaching. Today I am going to talk a little bit about my classroom theme. This year, literally like maybe 2 weeks before school started, I decided that I was going to make my classroom themed after the show Friends. And I honestly had no idea that that's what I was going to do. I had picked my colors for my classroom, which were teal and yellow. I wanted like tropical colors and stuff like that. But then I went to Ross and I found this really cute Central Perk sign, and I thought, oh my gosh, how perfect, this would match my classroom. And guess what I've been watching all summer? Friends. So that's exactly what I did, and one of the first projects I did was my bulletin board back here. These are pictures of all of my classes in the past years that I've been teaching. Those letters were actually created on Cricut, the white letters, by a friend, and on the top, those were actually created by another friend here at work. She had cut them out by hand, but it's pretty simple. All you have to do is download the Friends font and print it out on black paper and cut it out, and you can create those letters. So unfortunately, I do not have a DIY for that, and if you would like me to do something like that, please like this video and leave a comment below saying yes, that you want a DIY on how to create those letters, which will be really fun to do. But today I'm gonna do a different DIY. I don't know if you're familiar with Friends, but every single episode starts off with the one where or the one when. And if you don't watch Friends, you can just go on Netflix or just look up the titles of every single episode, and they start off with the one. I decided it would be really cute to have that in my classroom where it said the one when Mrs. Quinto taught 6th grade. This time I'm actually going to do 6 per sheet because I think it'll be better. I want this to be smaller. This is a PDF, and I'm going to print this out now. So let me go ahead and print. As you can see, I printed it out on cardstock. I don't know why my printer is doing that. I tried to put photo paper in there and I think it messed it up. But it's okay, it kind of makes it look a little vintagey, so we're just gonna roll with it.